Hello everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to share Pinterest pin to Facebook Messenger. So you want to share Pinterest pin to Facebook Messenger. It's quite simple. This is how I want to share this particular pin. You click on this icon here next to the three dots, and then you can copy the link and then go open your Messenger and then share it there. Or you click on the Messenger here and then you log into your email address, your password on the right site, or you simply open up your messenger if you have it installed on your PC, open up the app and then click and share it there by sending it by pasting the link. So those are the three ways you can do it. I repeat, you can copy the link and directly from here you don't have to copy the link, just click on messenger and then share it there, or you copy the link and share it to the person's email address. The person click on it and wait to get open it on messenger, or you copy the link, open your messenger app if it's installed on your PC or on through the website, and then you paste the link for the person. So it depends on you. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.